Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this video or review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case from Ringke for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Ringke Silicone Magnetic case in stone. I have never used a silicone case from Ringke before, so we're going to check it out and compare it maybe even to the Samsung silicone case. Again, I need to give Ringke a shout out for sending this case out to me for a review. Like we normally do in my reviews, we make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? How strong is the magnet on here? Can you use the pen? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. Normal packaging from Ringke. Live a better day. Just go out there and live a better day, y'all. Just live a better day. I love their packaging. Again, it's easy because we have a lot of different cases. I can put this back in there and I know that it will stay fresh. But here is their silicone case. I like the feel of the case. The inside is like this soft material here. It says liquid silicone plus polycarbonate plus suede. So this is a suede inside. It says liquid silicone. So yeah. So the back is, I mean, you can see the little magnet there. We'll test how strong that is. So do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You can see the camera protection you get. You also get the lip action from the top and the bottom. Not so much from the sides, but the top and bottom. So if you place it down, it's not going to scratch up your beautiful display. Now, if you drop it, yes, you have a chance of cracking your screen because it might hit the screen flat on, but, you know, it still will protect it pretty good. Everything lines up at the bottom here. Easy to get the pen out, which I'm going to test out the magnet. Everything lines up there. Everything lines up at the top. Again, Ringke did a great job with the camera cutouts this year. I love how precise that is. Looks great. The power button is nice and tactile. Same thing with the volume rockers. You can hear it. Like, the buttons are great on here. Again, I think I mentioned this on a lot of the Ringke cases. Just give me a ridge power button, so that way I know that I'm pressing the power button, even though I know it's down below, but I just like the feel of the ridge power button. But everything lines up. I like the grip on here too. Feels grippy. Doesn't add bulk to your phone. I mean, you can look at the corner here. You can see it doesn't add bulk either that side. So it's not a bulky case. It's not going to add a lot of weight to your phone at all. Let's check out the fit. Now in this bottom part is a little iffy. Not gonna lie, but it comes back. I mean this part is pretty good. The sides are really good, tight too. Now, how hard is it to get off? Not bad. I mean, I think it could be a little bit tighter though. I think it could fit a little bit tighter, but not, I mean, if I drop my phone, it's not gonna come popping out of it. And you can hear how it's just taking the hit. Like, it's really absorbing everything on there. So, I mean, it should protect your phone pretty good. I wish the fit was a little bit better. Let's check out the MagSafe thing. But again, you can have accessories with this case too. So the little ring here, and then also the wallet. Look in the description. I will have the links for both of these things. If you want a full review, look at one of the other videos. I will have that link in the video too, in the description, so that way you can check out the full review of these. But this is a nice little ring for them. How strong is the magnet? Can you wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem. And while we're doing that too, we can check out the pen and see if that works. So the magnet on here is definitely strong. I mean, yes, it is a strong magnet. I think if you put a battery bank on here, and you don't have to worry about it falling down, and your wireless charging. Now, can you use the S Pen? All right, so that's where the little pen went. It moved on me, so let's create a note. Forbes, tech, reviews. So yes, you can use the pen. I'm writing on it. Not a big deal. So a lot of cases now, the magnet or the MagSafe is not affecting the pen use. I haven't really found one that actually affects it anymore. All right, so let's just do a recap. I love the buttons on here, nice and tactile. I love how everything lines up. The pen, the magnet is really strong. You get great camera protection. Also, lip action is really good. The overall fit, as far as being tight, could be a little bit better there. But the buttons are great too. The overall feel is good. It doesn't add bulk. The magnet is strong. You have a lot of different options and accessories you could get with the MagSafe from Ringke now. So overall, this is a solid case. If you want to pick up this case, you can look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.